Stressed out? Time to unwind. Welcome to True Life Transformation. Here we guide you to ultimate relaxation. Today, we're diving into a simple but powerful breathing exercise. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly through your nose, letting the air fill your lungs. Hold it for a moment. Now, exhale gently through your mouth. Imagine you're in a field of flowers or by the ocean, feeling the gentle breeze. Let your mind wander to these peaceful places. With each breath, release your worries. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Continue this rhythm, focusing only on your breath. Feel the tension melt away. Repeat this exercise as often as you need. Your journey to relaxation starts here. Subscribe for more wellness tips and true life transformations. Remember, you deserve this moment of peace. Stay serene, stay well. Until next time.
Hey everyone, it's True Life. Today we're diving into a topic that many men are curious about, increasing ejaculation and semen flow. We'll explore some commonly suggested herbs and supplements that might help in this department. But first, a crucial reminder: every person is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Before incorporating any new supplement or herb into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's crucial to talk to your doctor. They can help you assess any potential risks and interactions and ensure that you're making the best choices for your individual health. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and shouldn't be considered medical advice. Now let's get started. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in various bodily functions, including male reproductive health. You find it naturally in foods like oysters, red meat, and nuts. One of zinc's key roles is in testosterone production, a hormone crucial for healthy sperm production and overall sexual function. Studies have shown that zinc deficiency can lead to lower testosterone levels and potentially impact semen volume. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that zinc supplementation may help improve semen volume in men with low zinc levels. However, it's important to remember that more isn't always better. Excessive zinc intake can lead to side effects like nausea, vomiting, and even copper deficiency. Always stick to the recommended dosage and consult your doctor before adding a zinc supplement to your routine. Maca root, a plant native to the Peruvian Andes, has been used for centuries for its potential health benefits, particularly in the realm of male reproductive health. It's often touted as a natural way to enhance libido, fertility, and even semen volume. While the research on maca root's impact on semen volume is still limited, some studies suggest that it may have a positive effect. One study found that maca root supplementation improved semen volume and sperm motility in healthy men. It's believed that maca root may work by supporting hormonal balance, including testosterone levels. However, more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms of action. If you're considering trying maca root, it's available in various forms, including powders, capsules, and extracts. As always, consult your healthcare provider before adding maca root to your regimen, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions. Fenugreek, an herb with a slightly sweet and nutty flavor, has long been used in traditional medicine systems for its various health benefits. Today, it's gaining popularity for its potential to support male sexual health, including testosterone levels and semen volume. Some studies suggest that fenugreek may help increase testosterone levels by reducing the activity of an enzyme that converts testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT. DHT is a hormone that can contribute to hair loss and prostate problems. By maintaining healthier testosterone levels, fenugreek might indirectly support semen production and overall sexual function. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects. Fenugreek is generally safe for consumption and is readily available in various forms, including seeds, capsules, and extracts. As always, consult your doctor before adding fenugreek to your routine, especially if you have any medical conditions or are taking medications. Chapter 4. Ashwagandha, the stress buster for sexual health. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb widely used in Ayurvedic medicine, is known for its ability to help the body cope with stress. But did you know that it may also have benefits for male sexual health, including semen volume? Chronic stress can wreak havoc on hormonal balance, including testosterone levels. Ashwagandha is believed to support healthy testosterone production by regulating the body's stress response system. By reducing stress levels and promoting hormonal balance, ashwagandha may indirectly contribute to improved semen volume and overall sexual function. Additionally, some studies suggest that ashwagandha may enhance sperm quality and motility, further supporting reproductive health. If you're considering ashwagandha, it's available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and extracts. As always, consult your healthcare provider before incorporating it into your routine, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Chapter 5. L-arginine, the blood flow booster. L-arginine is an amino acid crucial for blood flow regulation. It's a precursor to nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels, increasing blood flow. Adequate blood flow is essential for sexual health and erections. L-arginine may improve blood flow to the genital area, enhancing sexual function. Available in capsules, powders, and creams, L-arginine is generally safe. Consult your doctor before adding L-arginine to your routine. Chapter 6. Tribulus terrestris, the libido enhancer. Tribulus terrestris is often touted as a natural way to boost libido and improve sexual function. Some believe it may positively impact semen volume. Studies suggest it may increase luteinizing hormone, or LH levels. LH is essential for testosterone production and healthy sperm, available in capsules, extracts, and powders. Consult your healthcare provider before adding it to your routine. Chapter 7. Saw palmetto, the prostate protector. Saw palmetto, a plant extract derived from the berries of the saw palmetto tree, is commonly used to support prostate health. While its primary use is for benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, some believe it may also have benefits for overall sexual function, including semen volume. Saw palmetto is thought to work by blocking the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, a hormone that can contribute to prostate enlargement. By maintaining healthier testosterone levels, saw palmetto might indirectly support semen production. However, research on saw palmetto's direct impact on semen volume is limited, and more studies are needed to confirm these potential benefits. If you're considering saw palmetto, it's available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and liquid extracts. As always, consult your healthcare provider before taking saw palmetto, especially if you're taking other medications or have underlying medical conditions. Chapter 8. DHEA, the hormone helper. DHEA, or dihydroepiandrosterone, is a hormone naturally produced by the body. It serves as a precursor to both testosterone and estrogen. As we age, DHEA levels naturally decline. Some people believe that DHEA supplementation may help improve testosterone levels, potentially leading to benefits for sexual function and semen volume, especially in older individuals. However, it's important to note that DHEA supplementation can have potent effects on the body and is not suitable for everyone. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before considering DHEA supplementation to determine if it's appropriate for you and to discuss potential risks and benefits. Boost your knowledge, boost your health. So there you have it, a look at some commonly suggested herbs and supplements that might give your semen flow a boost. Remember, these are just a starting point, and it's essential to prioritize your overall health and well-being before making any changes to your diet or supplement routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Please consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to True Life for more informative content on health and wellness.